In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero bank accounts, how to delete or archive a bank account, credit card in Xero, 5 minutes. We'll walk through exactly where to click in Xero to remove or hide a bank account or credit card and what each option means so you can tidy up your records confidently. First, open Xero and log in. Click Login, enter your email and password, and continue into your organization's dashboard. If you use multi-factor authentication, complete that prompt as usual. From the dashboard, head to the accounting menu and choose bank accounts. This is where your connected bank and credit card accounts live. Click Manage Account on the account you're looking at. You'll notice there isn't a delete option here. That's by design. Xero protects bank accounts on this page because of bank feeds and reconciliations. To actually remove or hide the account, use the chart of accounts. Go back to the accounting menu and select chart of accounts. Locate the bank or credit card account you want to change. It will be listed with the bank account type. Select it to open the account options. If you're sure the account is no longer needed and has no activity you want to keep, choose Delete, then confirm by clicking OK. Deleting removes the account from your chart of accounts. Xero will only allow deletion if the account hasn't been used in transactions or opening balances. If delete is unavailable, that's a sign the account has history. In that case, or if you simply want to retain past reconciliations, choose Archive instead and click OK to confirm. Archiving keeps all historical data intact but hides the account from everyday lists and prevents new transactions from being posted to it. You can unarchive later if needed, which makes this the safer choice in most cases. Before you make your final choice, a quick tip. Ensure the account balance is cleared and any bank feed is disconnected to avoid confusion in future reconciliations. Also verify that reports you rely on won't be affected. If you manage multiple entities, repeat the same process in each organization's chart of accounts to stay consistent. And that's it. Log in, open bank accounts to verify the account, then use the chart of accounts to delete with OK or archive with OK. With these steps, you can keep your Xero bank list clean while preserving the records you need. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.